What's up guys? In this tutorial we will create hue saturation color effect in Photoshop. Create document. Add image. I have included image link in description. Remove the background of image if there. Using quick selection tool, select flowers. I am also selecting eyes and lips. From adjustment layer, add black and white. Press Ctrl+I on mask layer to inverse selection. Press Alt key plus left click to mask with image layer. Add hue saturation. You can change settings as you wish. Press Alt plus left click to mask layer with black and white. Select background layer. Add gradient. Follow settings. Select image layer. From layer style, add outer glow and follow settings. And boom, we are done with it. Try it out and let me know in comment section. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel.